How's it going, guys? So out here trying to get some fishing done before the next front comes in, and it's been a hit and miss day. It's been a trout sort of day, actually, and basically what I ended up doing is I just kept following the bait, and if you look at the water, you'll see the little shimmer. You know, your water has a certain frequency, and then if you see like a little shimmer in the water the whole time, there's fish under there, there's bait under there. And so basically what I'm doing is I've been following this same school around this island most of the time I've been out here, and I just I go ahead and catch some trout, some good trout, some small trout, but I'm catching. And I did see some redfish. Ended up just spooking them. I got too excited to get to where I was going to go, and it just didn't work out. But if you're interested in where I've been catching fish, exactly the location that I have caught these particular fish, I will put it in my Patreon page. So like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon. I'm just starting. I already got one really good video on there that I don't have in any of my other videos, and special location that everybody asks me about, but I've never given them that spot, and it's on my Patreon page. So tight lines, guys, and let's go fishing. I don't know if you could see that, but it's absolutely amazing. Did you see that? Look at that sucker. Skunk off. About a 15. And it's on. So basically what I'm doing is I'm letting it bounce all the way to the bottom. It is a little closer. I mean, a little colder today. So the water is a little deep here, so I'm letting it go all the way down the bottom and just kind of bumping it, going a little slow, not too fast, and that seems to be what's working right now. I keep following the baits. As it gets deeper, they're harder to see, but there is they do come to the top, and you can't see the actual bait, but you could see the little ripples, the little frequency change in the water. So I don't know if you could see the difference between this water and let's say that water. There is a slick there, But if you look at it, it's flatter. When you look over here, it's a lot of more little ripples. And so there's stuff swimming under there. Once you notice it, it's pretty hard not to notice it anymore. Or maybe I'm not explaining it correctly. Let me know if you actually could see what I'm saying. Basically, the water, there's little waves, right? Okay, there's some waves, there's a lot flatter. It's flatter over here, little swells. Over here, you see a lot of little waves, and that's where the bait is. There is bait under there. They're swimming around, causing those extra ripples that that causes that. I mean, that's it. And the idea behind that is there's bait around, then there's going to be predator fish trying to catch them. So usually your bait or your lure is easier to catch than an actual fish, and that's kind of the point. Another trout. Actually, that's a little sandy. There it goes. It's a perch, dude. Nice trout there. Might even be a legal one. Yeah, I think it might be. Settle down, settle down. Check him out. Not bad, not bad. I think he's about, actually looks like he's about 17. buddy. Actually, he's 18 and a half with a twist.